Water is virtually everywhere, from soil moisture and ice caps to the cells inside our own bodies. Depending on factors such as location, body fat percentage, age, and sex, the average human body is made up of about 55 to 60% water. At birth, human babies contain even more water. With nearly 75% water, they are remarkably similar to fish. By their first birthday, however, this percentage drops to around 65%. So what role does water play in our bodies? And how much do we actually need to drink to stay healthy? The H2O in our body's cushions and lubricates joints, regulates body temperature, and nourishes the brain and spinal cord. Water is not only found in our blood. An adult's brain and heart are nearly 3/4 water, roughly equivalent to the moisture content of a banana. The lungs contain about 83% water, similar to an apple, and even seemingly dry human bones are about 31% water. If we are essentially made of water and surrounded by it, why do we still need to drink so much? The reason is that each day we lose about 2 to 3 liters of water through sweat, urine, bowel movements, and even breathing. While these processes are essential for survival, the lost fluids must be replaced. Maintaining a balanced water level is critical to avoid dehydration or overhydration, both of which can have serious effects on overall health. When low water levels are detected, sensory receptors in the brain's hypothalamus signal the release of antidiuretic hormone. When this hormone reaches the kidneys, it triggers the formation of aquaporins, special channels that allow the blood to absorb and retain more water. This results in concentrated, dark-colored urine. As dehydration worsens, it can lead to noticeable drops in energy, mood, skin moisture, and blood pressure, along with signs of cognitive impairment. A dehydrated brain has to work harder to perform the same tasks as a well-hydrated one, and even temporarily shrinks due to the lack of water. Overhydration, also known as hyponatremia, is usually caused by consuming too much water in a short period of time. Athletes are often at risk because regulating water levels during extreme physical activity can be difficult. While a dehydrated brain increases the release of antidiuretic hormone, an overhydrated brain slows or even stops its release. This dilutes sodium electrolytes in the body, causing cells to swell. In severe cases, the kidneys cannot keep up with the volume of diluted urine being produced. This can lead to water intoxication, which may cause headaches, vomiting, and in rare cases, seizures or death. However, such situations are uncommon. On a normal day-to-day basis, maintaining proper hydration is relatively easy for those who have access to clean drinking water. For a long time, conventional wisdom suggested drinking 8 glasses of water a day. This guideline has since been refined. Current consensus suggests that daily water needs depend largely on body weight and environmental conditions. Recommended intake ranges from about 2.5 to 3.7 liters per day for men and 2 to 2.7 liters for women, with adjustments based on health, activity level, age, and exposure to heat. While water is the healthiest way to hydrate, other beverages, including those containing caffeine such as coffee and tea, also contribute to fluid intake. In addition, water from food accounts for roughly 1/5 of our daily intake. Fruits and vegetables such as strawberries, cucumbers, and even broccoli are over 90% water and help supplement hydration while providing valuable nutrients and fiber. Proper hydration may also offer long-term health benefits. Research suggests that optimal hydration can lower the risk of stroke, help manage diabetes, and potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Overall, consuming the right amount of fluids makes a significant difference in how you feel, think, and function in your everyday life.